Hello and welcome to Seven Words Academy. Today we will discuss about the most in-demand digital marketing skills for aspiring digital marketers as well as who are working as a digital marketing professional. So let's start and see one by one. The first skill is needed, that is marketing analytics. So you should know how to derive concrete marketing decisions from web analytics and the data science. The second skill is the content strategy. So you need to understand the logic behind the content optimized for Google search ranking. So you need to know the strategies of writing SEO content, blogs, webinar content, and also the hybrid content like interactive content, dynamic content, making video scripts, headlines, ad copies, as well as long form of content and social post. So this is very, very important regarding the content strategy, and as well as you need to know the basics of the content writing, grammatically correct sentences, and good formatting or content writing style. The third is you need to know how to prepare video content. Video content can be shooting videos, editing, as well as it can be screen recording, educational content. So you need to know the tools for video creation and video marketing and video editing. There are a lot of free tools available in market, as well as there are certain pro tools like Adobe Premiere, like Camtasia, and there are a lot of other good tools, even Canva, Vimeo over there. So you need to understand and you need to work on preparing, learning the video content creation. The next one is the storytelling skill. This is very, very important, and it is the next upcoming thing that everybody should know: how to share stories, how to create stories, how to script your story, and how to present it through audio visuals or through written form or with images. How you can present storyboarding, creating the storyboards is important for a digital marketer to know. The next one is email marketing, and mostly the email automation part is very, very important here. How you can design the email in the text format or HTML format, and how you can increase your click rate, open rate, and how you can reduce the bounce rate, and the email automation part, what kind of lead magnets you would offer and how you would do this kind of email automation along with different email automation tools like Mailchimp, like SendGrid, like Uber. So there are different tools that you need to know about it. The next one is the lead funnels. You need to know how to create lead funnels, and you need to work on your lead strategies. You need to know the digital marketing mix, ad campaign optimization, mobile app marketing, WhatsApp QR code marketing. So basically, you need to understand the different techniques of capturing leads, the online lead generation. There are a lot of tools, lot of techniques available, like push notifications, like dynamic content, like pop-ups. There are certain other tools as well. We call it use proof. So these are the things that you need to know: how to create funnels, and also as well as strategically you need to understand what kind of offers, what kind of giveaways you can uh, do for generating leads. The next one is podcasting and streaming. You should know about audio postcard, multi-channel streaming, like StreamYard. There are certain softwares and tools you need to know about this. The next one is the futuristic tools like AI, artificial intelligence, how you can use this. AI content writing tools are there available. There are a lot of platforms where you can create chatbot like Apipy, like Andromo. There are augmented reality, mixed reality, virtual reality platforms. You can organize virtual exhibitions, virtual events. There are a lot of gamification techniques. You can create games with flowlab.io. There are different tools available. You need to understand the voice search and conversational content writing, FAQs. You need to understand the bench marketing technique, how you can produce a large chunk of content, and you can share it in a with a relationship building strategy. and design thinking, how you can design a website, the logical flow to get more and more conversion, that is important here. So you need to know about the design thinking, and there are a lot of tools to develop a website nowadays. So you need to know WordPress, you need to know, like, there are certain tools like Shopify, Wix. So you should be aware about these futuristic tools. So thank you guys. If you like this, please like and subscribe 7 Boards YouTube channel, and see you with the next video. Thank you.